Let's talk about Excel wraps and how we manage users, roles and workgroups. Administrators of the site assign roles to users. There may be hierarchical roles, like these ones here. They could be team roles, like these. Or there could be competence-based roles, showing that you've got some skills. And roles say what you can do at the WrapSite. So a sub-team can view, edit and create wraps. A client team can only view the wraps. Roles are also required to make digital signatures. It may require the role of manager, it may require the role of a welder, or it may require the combined role of a welder and the supervisor of that welding team. Administrators decides what roles are available to each work group. So in this sub-work group we're going to have all the hierarchical roles except executive. They're a sub-team, so that's recognised here, and they're managing a mechanical competence. One person in the work group can be set up as an admin work group. Now, for administrators, this means you can devolve your responsibilities to an individual in the team, and that individual can create new users, they can reset passwords, and they can also assign user roles. Let's have a look at another project work group this time. We've got the hierarchical roles here, and they belong to team project, but they have no skills, competencies I should say. The client work group also has the hierarchical roles, and they show that they belong to team client. Wraps belong to a work group, but these subgroups are all working for the project team. And using trust settings, wraps belonging to this work group can be trusted to the project work group. And in fact that's what we've set up here. We've set up 4 different trusts so that the project team has access across all 4 teams. In addition, within this project work group, we're going to take one of these instances of this wrap out, and we're going to trust that instance to the client. And we're going to trust another instance of that wrap to this client, because the client doesn't need to see everything. So, roles and work groups. It's all about deciding who does what and who gets access. So roles say what the user can do. Roles are site-wide, and roles work completely independently of work groups. Work groups are just used to organise users. Work groups can own their own wraps, but work groups can trust other work groups with all their wraps, or work groups can trust other work groups with a single wrap.